Welcome to our University of Wisconsin-Madison College of Engineering, Industrial Engineering, Master's Programs Career Outcome webinar. Let's start with our agenda. First, we're going to walk through a program overview. Next, we'll explore track options within our programs. And after that, we'll explore career outlooks for our program graduates. Then we'll discuss our admission requirements and the application process. And finally, we'll take your questions at the end. I'm an enrollment coach for the Accelerated Engineering graduate programs here at UW-Madison. As an enrollment coach, I help prospective students learn more about the programs, help find the right program for them, and guide them through the application process. My contact information is listed on this slide, and I would encourage you to reach out to us directly with any questions you have. You can do that following the webinar or at any point in the future. All right, let's jump into an overview of our industrial engineering master's programs. We offer two options within our Master's of Industrial Engineering degrees, which is System Engineering and Analytics, or we have the Human Factors and Health Systems Engineering. Both programs are 30 credits, are face-to-face and accelerated, which means students are studying full-time on campus and generally are going to complete this program within 12 to 16 months. Tuition is $1,200 US per credit, and students can apply to start either for the fall or our spring semesters. We have several different areas of focus and track options. Let's start with tracks for system engineering and analytics. The first track focuses on system analysis and optimization and is a great opportunity for students looking to accelerate their career within system optimization. Several course examples include engineering models for supply chains, introduction to combinatorial optimization, linear optimization and inspection, quality control, and reliability. You will notice at the bottom of all of our track slides that there's a QR code. You can scan that QR code with your phone and you'll learn more about our course requirements and all other details about the program. Another systems engineering and analytics track focuses on data analysis regarding manufacturing systems. This is a great option for students interested in data and system analytics. Course examples include modeling techniques, fundamentals of industrial data and analytics, engineering economic analysis, and information sensing and analysis for manufacturing processes. Next up, human factors and health systems engineering. The first track is going to be a great fit for folks interested in human factors and systems and looking to learn more about human factors engineering, optimization, and human performance. Your course options can include human factors engineering, organization and job design, occupational ergonomics and biomechanics, and human performance and accident causation. Another track within human factors and health systems engineering focuses on an interest in health system analysis and features learning focused on data analysis, healthcare systems, and quality control. Some sample courses include health systems engineering, inspection, quality control, and reliability, health information systems, and engineering economic analysis. All right, let's do a quick pivot and let's look at what our career options are. Industrial engineers have a wide range of opportunities across multiple sectors. So let's look at the top industries that are hiring for these roles. As you can see here, we see architectural engineering and related services, aerospace product and parts manufacturing, semiconductor and other electronic component manufacturing, motor vehicle parts manufacturing, navigational, measuring, electromechanical and control instruments, manufacturing, management of companies and enterprises, and the demand is incredibly strong for industrial engineers. You'll see between 2024 and 2025, there were nearly 195,000 opportunities within the United States. And earning potential, the median salary was just over 100,000 in 2024. All right, let's take a quick shift and let's look at what our alumni, as in UW-Madison alumni, are doing. So starting with systems engineering and analytics alumni, you can see some job titles, you can see some locations, and you can see some of the employers that have hired our students recently. Our alumni work in a variety of roles. Some common job titles are data analyst or business intelligence analyst, industrial and systems engineer, manufacturing engineer, and quality engineer. And they're working everywhere. Our alumni are spread across the United States. You can see some of the more populated places. At the bottom here, you see Wisconsin, California, Illinois, Texas, but really just about every state has UW-Madison industrial engineers working and living in those states. And our alumni are working for tech giants like Amazon, Microsoft, Intel. They're working in healthcare spaces like United Healthcare, Boston Scientific, Johnson and Johnson. They're working at manufacturing powerhouses like Tesla and John Deere. Plus, they're doing consulting and specialized services at companies like Epic and Stryker. And then as we shift into our human factors and health systems engineering, you can see there's also a variety of roles for these individuals. Some common job titles are healthcare analyst, performance improvement specialist, industrial engineer, and more. And you can see, just like with our previous slide, our alumni are spread across the United States. Some of the more populous locations are Illinois, Wisconsin, California, New York, Georgia, Texas. And you can see some of the biggest names in healthcare and technology are hiring our students. Mayo Clinic, Northwestern Medicine, Ascension St. Thomas, medical device leaders like Johnson & Johnson, GE Healthcare, and Medtronic. And then also you have companies that are focused on healthcare analytics and consulting, like Huron and Guidehouse. And even some of our more emerging healthcare areas are also hiring our alumni. So one of the biggest advantages of being part of UW-Madison and the College of Engineering is going to be the support network that's available to you. We host engineering career fairs every year. Typically, there's one in the fall and in the spring, and we will connect you with hundreds of potential employers. We also have engineering career services. So we have a team that's trained and dedicated to helping engineering students succeed. They offer resume reviews, interview prep, job search strategies. Our alumni association, there's over 450,000 Badger alumni worldwide. Our alumni association will help connect you with alumni that can provide mentorship opportunities and job referrals. We also offer tools like Handshake, which is an online platform for job and internship postings. That's also where you can register for workshops and career events that are happening across campus, not just within engineering, but also within other units on campus. We have advanced independent study. So if you want to dive deeper into a topic or work on a specialized project, independent study options let you collaborate with faculty on research or applied projects. Internship and co-op programs are also available, which can help you get some real world experience. So whether you're looking for networking, skill building, or hands-on experience, UW-Madison provides the tools and connections to help you succeed. All right, so let's take a look at what it takes to apply. What are our admissions requirements and what application materials you're going to need? Students have to have completed a bachelor's degree in engineering from an ABET accredited institution with a minimum undergraduate GPA of a 3.0 in their last 60 credits. International students have to be educated in a that have been educated in a language other than English must also submit an IELTS or TOEFL English proficiency test score. As we look at our deadlines, the deadline for fall is December 15th, and the deadline for those of you that are interested in spring is going to be September 1st. In order to apply for one or both of our engineering and our industrial engineering programs, students must complete the online application, which includes uploading unofficial transcripts for all colleges and universities attended, a statement of purpose, a resume, 3 letters of recommendation, and then paying the $75 application fee. International students pay an additional $6 processing fee. The GRE is not going to be required for fall of 2026 applicants. As you take time to explore our accelerated engineering programs, please feel free to connect with us via phone or email, or you can scan the QR code and you can schedule an appointment with one of us directly. Thanks everyone for your participation and joining us today. We're now going to transition to the question and answer portion of our webinar. So feel free to put any questions that you have in our chat, or if you don't have any questions, have a wonderful rest of your day.